But first at 6:30, coronavirus cases still on the rise in Arizona. While President Trump has said the country is rounding the corner on the pandemic and Joe Biden is warning of a dark winter, data experts say the curve is bending upwards, with more than 800 cases reported again today. ABC 15's Mike Pelton going one-on-one with the head of Maricopa County's public health department about the uptick and where we may be headed.
Anytime I see our trends start to go up, I'm concerned. I'm not at the point of concern where I would say we're in big trouble right now. Where I'm at is saying we need to really continue to watch this over the next couple weeks.
Maricopa County Public Health Executive Director Marcy Flanagan using that word a few times, concerned about an uptick in coronavirus cases.
We have heard our hospital partners say they are feeling the increase in their hospitalizations. Again, I think to keep going back to, we're not where we were in that middle of July into June, and we don't want to get there again.
Indeed, numbers from the state show while a slow and steady uptick of COVID-19 inpatients, now at more than 800, it's far lower than a July peak that exceeded 3,500. But as we learned over the summer, coronavirus cases can go from simmering to soaring if left unchecked.
If we continue this rise over the next couple weeks, we may get to a point where we're asking the state or the governor to really consider what else can we do, what more can we do at the local level and even the statewide level.
So what's fueling the uptick? Flanagan says it's a recipe of items: universities and schools reopening, return to work, social gatherings and fall break, and pandemic fatigue. Perhaps a lack of people seeking out widely available testing because they don't want to know the answer.
If it's not financial, other times we've heard is that individuals don't want to know they're positive because they don't want to have to be isolated. And so I think it goes into that, what you brought up earlier, Mike, which is really people are kind of getting that COVID fatigue.
The message: keep up the masks and social distancing. Do your part before cases go from a concern to another crisis. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.